Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I lay man-made stone. Some people call it, I call it man-made stone. I'm going to show you how I lay man-made stone. I'm going to show you how I form my pattern, the way I cut my sill to get the 45 nice and straight, how I do it from start to finish. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video, guys. Okay guys, so today, as you see here, we're going to install our stone right over a brick wall. So I'm going to put some weeping plastic over the angle line just to protect it from corrode later on. So we're just going to wrap our plastic over it. Going to wrap it just like this. So here guys, you just follow on, I'm going to fold it like this, just so that we turn the corner. The first one you want to go is, I'm going to go close up to the So guys, as you see, I put my level this way here. The stone, because the stone is not a level surface or level base, it's easier to plumb it this way than to put the level this way. So I put it across like this to make sure we get the first one 100% plumb. It's very important to get the first one plumb. And you can always put a wedge underneath the bottom, just to help support it in case when the weight starts to come down, it can use as a pressure. Later on you remove it if you need to, because sometimes you have a lot of big ledge where you don't need to put a wedge down there. Guys, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more great contents like this one. We upload video twice a week with all different types of construction, bricklaying, concrete, block, stone, you name it, carpentry. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I promise you won't regret it. right here now. I'm plumbing it. Put it across. Same result like I always mention in all my previous videos. To get the plumb. So guys, I'm gonna show you how to use a hammer to cut a stone. In case your machine break or something wrong, you just stop around it. I have my mark right here, top right along the mark. Just keep screw right around it, just like that. So the mark is straight. So now we're finished here. Now we're gonna plumb it up. So you want to run your level like this from the bottom, just in case if you want to tap in any of them. You know right now is the time for you to tap them in place, being as we didn't use a line. Didn't use a line here because it's just a short span. It's just a bit over 4 feet. I don't need a line for that. But here it's perfectly plumb. You want to come this side as well. Check it. All the corners you want to go and check to make sure it's plumb. You need to tap in a little bit to tap it in. Okay guys, let's do our joints now. So basically what I'm gonna do, this is my jointer as you see. I'm gonna just pre-do the joints now. I'm gonna pre-do the joints. Later on I'm gonna go back and use my wire brush. Now you basically gonna compact it right now, make sure everything is fitting properly. And later on you come back when it's dry. If you don't wait until it's dry properly, it's gonna leave a white mark. We don't want that. So let's just do it like this now with our jointer. And later on we'll come back with our wire brush. You see what I mean later on. Guys, if you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So here as you see, we finish our joint now. We finish to compact it, and afterwards we're gonna let it set there for a while, and then we're gonna come back and do the wire brush. You want to have it sit there for at least half an hour so that it's well set, and then we'll come back and do our joint. Reason for that, we don't want the stone to make a mess after we do our joint, so we want it to at least clear or hard. There you have it guys. If you get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We have so much video coming up. We still have the arch to do. We still have a lot of a few different areas. We still have a few different areas to do. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell as well, so when I upload the video you get notified. Thank you guys.